So what's the name of the label again?
What's the name of the label again?
Yeah.
FGM is from God's mind. You know what I mean? We only trying to empower the, you know what I mean, real lyricists, real vocals, people who are serious inquiries about what we got going on and want to be successful in their own life. You know? So, you know, this is your opportunity now.
Hey, yo, I got this new hot artist named Agonie.
Taking you on the way right now as we speak to a high level, high sound studio right now. You know, so it's gonna be up to you to prove what you got to do, man. You know what I mean? Point blank, period.
He's the truth. He's one of the realest out there.
And you know, when you get in that booth, it ain't nobody but you and that microphone.
His game is sick. His flow is harder than most of these rappers out here.
When you get in here, you set this bitch on fire. You make sure that they gotta put an insurance claim on the building. You understand what I'm saying?
I want you to give him a chance. I think you should hear him.
I'm check him out.
That's what's up.
Hey man, you're too humble. You know what I mean? I like what you've done. I like what you're doing. You know what I mean? I like where you're headed. You know what I mean? I like where your mind is at the current moment. You know what I mean? So, you know, you stick to your guns. You know what I mean? I'm gonna carry the ammunition with you. You dig?
Oh, there they go right there.
Ladies, gentlemen, boss.
What's up?
How y'all doing today?
FGM.
How you doing today, baby? What's good? What's good, young lady?
How you doing?
Good, I'm good.
Hey, Pat.
Kicks, bitch. What's good,
What's
eh?
up?
Hey, this is the young man I was talking about. Introduce yourself if you like, sir.
I'm Agonie. This is Braggin rights.
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, Michael with this studio, Michael with this studio. Music got me feeling hot in a bitch, man. Ain't no coming down in this bitch, man. I don't mean to brag, but we the shit, man. FGM up in this motherfucker, we ain't lame. Going up in the booth, I'ma tell them all about FGM. I'ma ride all the way to the other side for my niggas, and they'll do the same for him. Every girl say he got game and he slim. Real over here and the lanes beat him. About to get a million when I started rapping silly, and the body fucking with me and the wave on swim. Shots of the Henny got me feeling like whatever. Ask for the pussy even though I just met her, but I ain't gon' sweat her. On to the next, got more game to kick, might make the bitch jealous. Money over here, what it look like, fool? Doing my dance and it look too smooth, bro. Nah, I ain't looking like you. Got your girl bent over while I yelling her too. All night long to the break of the day. If you in the way, please give me space. So wipe that look up off your face, cause FGM is here to stay. We the hottest team, got bragging rights. Speed up when I see them flashing lights. So high, all up in the air in flight, and they can't see me cause they not my height. Jay, what you gonna tell them? Keep that thing on 24/7. If I take a nap, then he ready to clap. Shit, the whole reason for even having a weapon. We gon' get it in every time we involve. Confusion, that's my fault too. And we gon' keep on making hits that you can roll and smoke too. What up, folks? Feeling hot in a bit. Ain't no coming down in this bitch. I don't mean to brag, but we this shit. Yeah, we the motherfuckers. Hey, music got me feeling hot in a bitch, man. Ain't no coming down in this bitch, man. I don't mean to brag, but we the shit, man. FGM up in this motherfucker, we when it's late last night, when it's stack on my pillow, a sack of the endo, I got it rolled up in the window. So when I wake up in the morning, I get hella high, then I get fly, go and find me an info. Boss of the bosses, no more losses, so my way up from the belly to the bottom. Couple years ago, I was broken in that motherfucker, fella for a minute, then got it back poppin'. Shit, whole squad up in this bitch. We just want the money, we ain't come for no shit. We came for the party, the women who's working and drinking, my nigga, we tryna get lit. So if you a hater, fall off for the map. No love for you, stay where you at. Music change, it just ain't the same. Leave it to my game, we bringing it back. FGM, we iller than y'all. Nobody better, we killing them all. Nina got singing and Kiss got the bitches who spittin' in me, Pat and Sean Miller, dog. Name a rapper that's ready for static. Come with your best of this here could get tragic. So outstanding that they panicking, vanishing off of the track like it's magic. Damn. Kid flash, up on the trap with a buck on the dash. Looking for chickens who cluck for the cash. They man wanna look, I go buck on his ass. Streets, taught me a lot. You gotta keep shooting it when you get hot. And I got the rock and I'm dribbling, spinning. I'm about to take off and go straight for the top.
This music got me hot.
Feeling hot a little bit.
This music got me hot.
Ain't no coming down in this bitch.
This music got me hot.
I don't mean to brag, but we this shit.
This music got me
Yeah,
hot.
we
So
the
hot,
motherfuckers.
so hot.
I'm blown. Music got me feeling hot in a bitch, man. Ain't no coming down in this bitch, man. I don't mean to brag, but we the shit, man. MGM up in this motherfucker, we ain't playing. I'm so higher than you other rap boys that you can't see me, but you hear the noise, I'm so higher than you other rap boys. Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, nigga. FGM on the motherfucking chain.
This music